My name is Henry. I am in Cafe Prima Pasta, Miami Beach, and I'm gonna show you how to make a mango caipirosca. First, we're gonna use 2 pieces of lime. We're also gonna use fresh mango. And we're gonna muddle in. We're gonna muddle in a lot. We're gonna add a little bit of a simple syrup. We're gonna add sugar as well, a teaspoon of sugar. And we are going to muddle it very deeply. As soon as you finish this, we're gonna fill the glass with ice right to the top. And we're gonna use this particular vodka, Finlandia. Two ounces of vodka. Finish this particular drink, shake it. We're gonna top the drink with a little bit of club soda. And we're gonna garnish it with a real piece of mango. Okay, and here is our mango caipirosca. We're finishing with a little bit of mango and a piece of orchidea. And thank you for tuning me in. And my name is Henry. I'm in Cafe Prima Pasta, Miami Beach. Thank you very much.